Today we're going to be reviewing and comparing Bellroy's card sleeve, hide and seek low, and Apex slim sleeve. So let's begin with the Apex slim sleeve. This is the Apex slim sleeve. Apex wallet holds 6 to 8 cards and folded bills. Let's take it out. Right off the bat, feels nice. And there's a magnetic clasp, so it's kind of hard to open, but I saw a reviewer pinch this to open it. Oh shit, I didn't do it, did it? No. Well, anyway, here it is. Smells beautiful. There's a Bellroy card here. And the signature pull tab that they have. Okay. There's that. Number 2 is the hide and seek low. Hide and seek low. Up to 12 cards, flat bills, and coins. Alright. Nice. Feels good. Stitching is pretty good actually. There's a signature Bellroy owl. You open it up, and then there's a compartment here where you can put hidden bills, and then you just put that there, and then this flap closes the hidden bills part, and then you could never tell that there's money in there. Now, I'm not sure why you would want that function. Maybe for yourself, so you know you could be surprised that you have extra cash. But yeah, there's the hide and seek low. Next is the card sleeve by Bellroy. This is the card sleeve. Up to 8 cards. All it is this. And so if you want to wear it in the front pocket, signature pull sleeve, pull tab, ultra slim, nice material, little card slot here, little card slot here. Alright, I like the coloring, it's a good contrast. Now let's put them all together. So by far, the most expensive is this one, right here. The Apex Slim Sleeve. It's got a magnetic closure, contrasting orange-blue, and it's kind of got this thickness to it that it's pre-built already. This thickness to it. And then you open it. You can put money in here. This feels nice. It feels like almost like plush, you know? But I think it's the leather. All right. And then this is the second most expensive. I think it's $89. I forgot already. I'm sorry. I'll put the price in the video. And this one is more like a regular wallet that I'm used to, you know, and it feels good. Has 3 card slots here, 2 card slots here. One of them is really big right here, and then also there's a hidden card slot right here. And is there a coin pouch here? Yeah, right here is the coin pouch. If you want to put some coins in, you could put the coins in there. And then you could hide it like so. I really like this one, but I thought, you know what, I was reading reviews online about how wallets say things about people, and I wanted people to see my wallet and think, wow, this guy is clutter free. I guess that's a lie. I'm pretty messy, but I don't keep receipts, you know, so I don't really need that much. You know, I'm not holding on to many things really. And that's why I thought maybe the Apex Slim sleeve, you know, would be good. And then I thought, well, there's this one by Nomad, I believe, and they have something similar to this, except it's got an elastic enclosure, unlike this, which is all leather enclosure. So, and then you just put your cards and stuff inside there, and then you could, it also has a pull sleeve, pull tab. And so comparing the sizes here, let's see. So the card sleeve and the Apex Slim sleeve are almost identical in size, but the Apex is just so much, this much bigger. Of course, thin wise, the Slim card sleeve is a lot thinner by design. So, you know, this thing feels a little gimmicky to me. I mean, no, it feels, the quality feels good, but the idea is a little gimmicky to me. There's a little gap right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little gap right there, also on the top. So this magnetic enclosure. Oh, I see where the magnets are. Well, actually, it looks like there's a magnet on top and a magnet on bottom where my thumb is, and then also right here. Let's put some cash in it, see how that goes. I'm not gonna show you my cards though, cause y'all be trifling. Now I mean, I trust you, but I don't trust you. That's just how it is. Just being smart. There's only a certain amount of trust you can give someone. You can't walk around the Costco butt ass naked. I mean, yeah, you trust people, but you don't, you know, you still gotta wear some clothes, is basically what I'm trying to say. All right. Gotta have some decency. So hide and seek is there. Bellroy. Okay, this one. Cannot do it. You can't do it a double fold. One fold like this, you can't do it. You gotta do a double fold like that. Let's see, what's the difference from this one and this one? That's a good question. This one and this one. I'm assuming this one's easier to put something big like this. Put that there, and then put the Tesla card here. And then that's it. That's the entire wallet. I use my Tesla card. It could probably be, you know, your debit card that you put out here. Put that there. And then I need cash. I just pull it out. Here's a 20. Put it back in. Done. Pull it back out. Oh, you need change? Hold on one sec. Put that. Thank you. Close it, and then there, and just put it in my pocket. Boop. All right, there's this. Super thin compared to, or for example, make believe this is my driver's license and make believe this is my debit card, and then here's some cash, and then all my other cards are neatly stacked inside. There's about 5 cards inside. If I need to pull them out, I just use a tab, but I don't want to show you guys because y'all trifling, remember? Do you feel classy when you're holding this? Or what? I don't know what vibe you're trying to get. Me, I like classy. $10 bills right here. Let me feel if there's a bulge in my pocket. Oh yeah, that's there. You can tell it's there. And this hide and seek is also RFID protected. Hike V-Block technology. Oh. So final decision, do I go with the bigger wallet, that safe, secure sense of mind, and if I want RFID, do I go with the smaller wallet? Surprisingly, this one is more expensive, less leather, but it has this heat bonding that connects the different leathers together. So there's no stitching, no bulky stitching. However, this is not bulky and this has stitching. So, I mean, it's a good idea on paper, but it's not really making a big difference. It has magnets, so you could, I mean, yeah, it's got magnets. And dang, you know, I can't decide. Maybe I should just keep them all. But maybe you can decide. Now that you've seen them all reviewed, you got a better idea of, here, let me put these on top so you could get a picture of what's what. It's the apex. And then this is the card sleeve. So, plot twist, I was using the hide and seek Bellroy. I thought, you know what, after reviewing all these wallets, I came to the conclusion that the hide and seek was the best for me because I can put my bills in it straight, crisp, put all my cards. I could even put coins in there in the hidden coin slot. But when I put it in my pocket and I was using it, I realized, you know, this thing is just way too bulky in my pocket. I had it in my pocket. I had my keys in my pocket as well. My keys in my wallet in the same pocket in the front. And, you know, people, you know, it's just like, are you happy to see me? Or is that a wallet in there, you know? And why can't it be both? But no, that's my wallet, you know, it's just a big bulge. And I didn't like the way it felt. It felt constricted in my pants, even though I wear loose fitting pants. And so I did a quick switch to the apex sleeve, right? You see how it's practically closed? That's because I put a bunch of laptops on top of it. I work in IT, so I use those laptops to put pressure on it, and it closed. I have all my stuff in here, and it's perfectly closed. And it's super thin. Super thin. So that's the plot twist. I ended up going with this one, which I originally reviewed it as, you know, a fluke, as a gimmick, you know, something that's good on paper, but when in use, it's not ideal. Well, I take that back. I actually really like this wallet. You know, it's thin. It closes with a magnetic enclosure, so even if I had coins, I could technically, well, I wouldn't say that. I don't know. They might fit in there. But regardless, I got my bills in there. I got about $10 of bills. Well, 10 bills, not $10 worth of bills, but 10 bills. And I got about 8 cards total in here. And I put the laptop on top and let it squish for a while so the leather expands, and now it fully closes and it's not bulky in my pocket. It's nice and thin and I don't feel constricted. That's it. So if I were to choose out of all these three, it would be the Apex Slim Sleeve. Thanks for watching.